In this video, we're going to be looking at algebraic notation, where we see how algebra is written. Okay, let's say that we have x and y. X is 5 and y is 10. Okay, now if we had x plus 2, to work this out, we would just substitute 5 for x in this equation, and we would do 5 plus 2, which gives us 7. If we had 3x, remember we don't include the multiplication symbol, we just write 3x. We would do 3 times 5, which gives us 15. If we have xy, remember this is multiplication, we would do 5 times 10, which gives us 50. If we had 2xy, all we would do is 2 times x times y, which gives us 100.